Hello students, I hope you people are doing well in your exams. So, as per your exam point of view, I thought I should take this particular topic which you could see on the screen, direct and indirect speech, that we are going to study today. Okay, so let's start. Okay, when we start any of the topic, then what first thing occurs in our mind, that what exactly it means, it stands for. So we are going to break these two into two parts. First, we will discuss about direct speech and then direct speech. What exactly these two? These two are the words spoken by the person, which can be reported in two ways. Okay, direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, so what exactly the direct speech is? It is the actual words, the same words spoken by any person is called directive speech. Basically, it is always enclosed in inverted commas. You could see in the example, she said, she is good. So, she is good. It is in inverted comma, we could see. So, this complete sentence is direct speech. Okay, and this particular speech can be broken into two parts again. So she said is another one part, and she is good is another part. Okay, so she said is reporting verb as per the grammar, as per the direct and indirect speech, this particular chapter. She is good, it is reported speech. Okay, in the same way, in the next example, he says is a reporting verb, and I will go home is a reported speech. Okay, let's discuss indirect, what indirect speech is. Indirect speech is what, when there is a, when we are not telling the exact word of the speaker, we are telling it in other our language. Okay, in other speakers language, you can say. It is called indirect speech because there is a change, there is a manipulation. You will not find any inverted comma in that particular sentence. So that is indirect speech. She said that, example is she said that she was good. He says that he would go home. These two examples are, you would see that there is no inverted comma, and instead of inverted comma, that is used. It is not mandatory to use that conjunction in everywhere. It depends on the sentence. Okay, basically when the sentence is assertive, then we use that. Otherwise, if the sentence is imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, then it is not required. Okay, further we will study about it. So next is what, uh, next is discussed about reporting verb and reported speech, which we have already discussed in the previous example of direct and indirect speech. They are talking about, first part, they are telling that direct speech can be divided into two parts, that is reporting verb and the reported speech. Okay, so reporting verb they are talking about is the actual words, actual word which is spoken by the, but it is not in inverted comma. That part is called a reported speech, reporting verb. Okay, fine. Reported speech is what? Again, it is the actual words said by the speaker, but it is always in the inverted comma form. Okay, it is in this is, it is the quotation, you can say. So, and we will find it in always in inverted comma. Now, how we are going to change direct speech into indirect? What are the rules we are going to follow? So, look at the following. The following five kinds of changes take place when we are changing direct speech into indirect speech. First change is what? Changes in the reporting verb. Like as I said that reporting verb is he said, they said, she said. All that is reporting verb. So first change is required in the reporting verb. Okay. Second change is what? The use of proper conjunction or the joining words. As we saw in the example of the indirect speech, we found that that was used there, that conjunction was used there. So to remove, to omit inverted comma, we have to put that in maximum almost sentences. So that is required. Or if the interrogative sentence, in that we use if or whether. So in the same way, some sort of conjunction is required. Okay. Next is point number three, that is changes in the personal pronouns of the reported speech. Personal pronoun is also very important one part. Likewise, if the reporting verb is in the third person, then we need not to require any of the change. If it is the any proper noun is given, then it requires the change. Like if the some female name is given, then we need to change as a C, and if it is a male name, then we need to change into reported speech he. So in the same way, these things are required, pronouns are required to be changed. Next is fourth point, changes in verbs of reported speech according to the tense in the reporting verb. Okay, so the verb is also required to change. Likewise, if it is in the past tense, reporting verb is in the past tense, then we need to change the reported speech in the past, है ना?